Hey everyone, let's dive into the latest economic twist from Zimbabwe. If you're into understanding global financial dynamics, this one's for you. So Zimbabwe's economy has seen its fair share of turbulence, but the latest move to introduce a gold-backed currency, the ZiG, is really stirring the pot. The idea is to combat hyperinflation and stabilize the economy. Sounds promising, right? Well, not so fast. You see, while the ZiG aims to bring stability, the US dollar still dominates, accounting for a whopping 85% of transactions. Trust is a big deal here, and for the ZiG to work, it needs to win over the public's confidence. That's a tough nut to crack. Now let's talk about the retailers. Major players like OK, TM Pick n Pay, and Halstead's are in a bind. They're facing massive losses because they have to use an official exchange rate that's way overvalued. Imagine selling your goods at a price that doesn't cover your costs because of a distorted exchange rate. That's the reality for these businesses. Since April 2024, the ZWG, another currency in the mix, has plummeted in value. On the parallel market, $1 can get you about 32 ZWG. Retailers are forced to keep two price lists, one for the official rate and another for the parallel market. It's a logistical nightmare and a financial disaster, but it doesn't stop there. There's a severe shortage of foreign currency, making it even harder for these retailers to import goods. The Retailers Association of Zimbabwe has been vocal about these challenges, emphasizing the need for access to US dollars to keep their businesses afloat. Experts are pointing fingers at the authorities, criticizing them for rolling out the ZWG without ensuring there'd be enough US dollars in the system. It's a classic case of putting the cart before the horse, and the result? A precarious situation where retailers are struggling to survive in an already unstable economic environment. So what's next? Can Zimbabwe's government address these exchange rate issues before it's too late? Will retailers be able to keep their doors open? These are the big questions hanging in the balance. For now, all eyes are on Zimbabwe as they navigate this economic minefield. If you're keen on following the story, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.